And it's time for another update. And this is extremely close to my heart because no one is talking about this really. Schools have been closed for 9 months, and people are talking about academic loss and everything. Frankly, academic loss is the least of my concern with my children because I know that they might not follow the same pace that they would do in school, but there have been children who have surprised us completely, and the others are also working very hard. Please understand, it's very hard for them also. What is bothering me, which no one is talking about clearly, is the loss of touch with fellow students, social interaction, which a child learns immensely from in a preschool level between birth to 6 years. It is so important to connect with children your age, and that is what is missing right now. We are investing in subscription boxes, we are investing in Kumar classes, we are investing in lots of things, but we don't want to, as parents, invest in a good preschool. That is extremely sad to see. um, Social interaction works so beautifully with children, with our children. And if I tell you, academics is just 30% of the learning that a child does in a preschool. Rest 70% is the overall development of the child. And if we realize that, we will be in a very safe space. Uh, Play is crucial, interaction is crucial, connecting with same age children is crucial between birth to 6 years. That is why preschools and a good preschool matter so much. It lays the foundation of the further development of the child. You do a little research on Google about the importance of the preschool age for children and a good environment, and you'll know what I'm talking about. Between 0 to 6, child learns so much that they don't learn that much till during the entire lifetime. Basic skills are developed. More and more research is showing that children are struggling with their social skills during the lockdown, during pandemic, and those who have siblings are slightly more blessed. But again, siblings are a different age, are a different temperament. They don't have options, and I am and children, single children, are don't have that option as well, right? At times they're stuck in the house with just their parents. Interaction is so crucial, and that's what I know these children are missing. So they are having meltdowns, they're having problems. Please bear with them. They are facing something which we have never faced as children. So they are not able to control their emotions and their behavior, though they truly want to, but they are not able to do that. So please ensure that you give them that space. Self regulation is very important. I see so many parents trying to calm the child down. It might happen if the child himself or herself wants to calm down. But if he or she doesn't want to calm down themselves, the best is stay on mute if you're on a call and leave them on their own. Just keep on sitting there besides them if they need you, right? So that is the best we can do. Self regulation is so important. uh, it's very important that we focus on academics. That's extremely important. Maths are important, numbers are important, language is important, but social skills, gross motor skills, fine motor skills are more important. Next year they'll get all that, and I assure you there might be some children who are in middle, they're the younger ones in their year, and I might, seeing their progress, I might request parents if they would want to do a year again, but the call would be completely dependent on parents. Right now our focus needs to be on helping the child to the fullest, and just praying that the vaccine comes soon, and at least we are privileged enough to buy vaccine and get it done, and do whatever is needs to be done, hopefully. whenever the vaccine comes, obviously our staff will be vaccinated. I'll ensure that, and I'll pay for them if that needs to be done. But the all the precautions and everything will be taken, because it's very important that they start connecting. It's been 9 months, and what pains me is the lack of social interaction they have in their lives right now. What I'm happy about is they're connecting with the parents on a very day-to-day basis, and parents don't have any other options. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, that's a good thing. But they also want to connect with people who are their own tribe, right? So that's very important. So this is one thing I wanted to convey. Just hang in there. Their tantrums, their meltdowns are because of lack of interaction, lack of outside connection. Please hang in there. Next, whenever school starts, I will ensure once things are safe, they will have double the outdoor time than they had now, right? So let's just hang in there and just hope for the best. And I want to give parents a hug today, because stay strong and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.